We're an algo pricing solution, which means that we'll set the prices for you online. At the moment, we're working with all international Amazon marketplaces, and based on the competition, based on the market, we'll set the prices for you. So we basically check hundreds of millions of offerings in real time, every time a sale is made, every time one of your competitors changes their prices. And what we'll do is we'll align your prices based on your business goals. So if you're looking to maximize profit or move stock out of a warehouse, that's how we'll price your items. Traditionally, even within Amazon, because we're watching so many things, we're able to see both the average market price and your market price, and we're traditionally higher than the average market price, making more sales than your competitors. And we do this by working out, based on your seller rating and your shipping time and 16 other variables, how much more you can raise your price and still beat the competition. And that magic number is where we make our customers hundreds of millions of dollars every single day. In short, our customer sales increase of 500%, profit margin increased by 40%, and to many people, significantly, it frees up 90% of the time spent on repricing. This is by an independent survey conducted by Internet Retailer last year. I'm going to be around for a while discussing this in a lot more length. Please feel free to stop me, get me a drink, they're free. I'll be happy to talk. Over the last 18 months, we've been in New York Times, Internet Retailer, as you mentioned, VentureBeat, Forbes. We are the first person on the online retail industry to do what we're doing. It's blown up. We've gone from 4 people this time last year to nearly 35 people at the moment. And we are completely all free. So there's no setup, nothing complicated. And as I mentioned, please feel free to come over and say hi. Thank you.